In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit shared document Google Drive full 2025 guide. First, open your web browser and head to Google Drive. Sign into the Google account that was granted access to the file. If you don't immediately see the document on your main Drive page, check the Shared with Me section on the left, or use the search bar at the top to type part of the document's title. Make sure you're in the correct account if you use more than one. Switching accounts is a common reason shared files seem to disappear. Once you're on your Drive home, locate the shared document. You'll usually see a little figure icon indicating it's shared, and you can hover to confirm who owns it. Click the file once to highlight it and preview details, or press the space bar to open a quick preview without fully opening it. This helps confirm you've got the right file, especially if your Drive is busy with multiple shared items. When you're ready to open it, double-click the document. If it's already a Google Docs file, it will open directly in the editor. If it's a different format, like a Word file, open it with Google Docs using the Open With option so you can collaborate smoothly. This step ensures you're editing in the Google Docs environment where real-time collaboration features work best. If you see a prompt to edit in Google Docs, accept it so your edits and comments sync live with others. Inside the document, you can now view or edit. Any change you make is live and visible to everyone who has access, so take a moment to choose the right mode in the top right corner. Use editing when you're ready to commit changes or suggesting to propose edits that others can accept or reject. Add comments to discuss specific sections and use the @ symbol to mention collaborators so they're notified. If you're experimenting and don't want to affect the original immediately, you can make a copy first or rely on version history to review or restore earlier drafts if needed. If you notice you can't type, you likely have view or comment access only. In that case, request edit access from the owner. When you're done, there's no need to manually save. Google Docs auto-saves your work and everyone with access will see updates instantly. Close the tab or return to Drive and your edits will be preserved. That's it. You've opened, edited, and collaborated on a shared Google Drive document with confidence.